Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to do a bit of a comparison between our full-size CD88 Air Fry Microwave oven and our slimline CD58 Microwave oven. To give you a little comparison between the two, a lot of customers are asking us what's the difference between the two at the moment, which one's right for me, and what should I be looking at for my next microwave oven. So in reality, there's not a big difference between these two models. Let's get the obvious thing out of the way. The biggest thing is the size difference. So our CD88 model here is 34 litres capacity. That's the maximum. It's a really big microwave. It's great for big families or big kitchens as well. So if you've got the space and the need to cook a lot of food, then we recommend the CD88 is where you look to. With regards to the slimline, this capacity is 27 litres, so just a bit smaller, but that does mean it's better, it's a bit more compact in terms of size. It's going to be better for those smaller kitchen spaces and smaller families as well. So if you're just a couple or a small family, then perhaps the slimline is right for you. That doesn't mean that you miss out on too much though. You still can do a whole roast chicken in this slimline microwave, so don't feel like you're missing out too much. In terms of cooking modes, you do get more options in terms of auto modes on the CD88 compared to the 58, but other than that, they're very similar in terms of power and capabilities. They're both combi ovens as well, so you still do get that flexibility of cooking options when it comes to doing things like stews, pies, pizzas, all sorts. So something to bear in mind, just to give you an idea as well of the size difference between the two. When it comes to choosing your next microwave oven, these two models really are fantastic and we recommend both of them. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.